Hey, we're here today at eimports4Less talking about a recent addition to our inventory. This here's a 2016 Chrysler 300C Platinum all-wheel drive model, maximum steel metallic with indigo and linen interior. It's pretty much a black and tan in color. The vehicle currently has 31,000 miles on it. A couple of features of this one: keyless go, sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, and Harman & Kardon audio. This particular model has a SAFETYTEC Plus package. What's included with that: front and rear park assist, adaptive cruise control with stop, forward collision avoidance, and lane departure warning. If you're interested in more details about this vehicle or any of the vehicles we have available, they can be seen anytime at eimports.com. We can take questions at 215-249-9100. Take a quick look around the interior. Again, pretty much black and tan. Large display for the GPS navigation. It is Bluetooth integrated. Again, questions 215-249-9100 and all the details eimports.com. Thanks for checking it out.